German electric car dealers are charging owners $3,000 to $5,000 over the first 100,000 miles for maintenance that should cost half that. And the worst part, most of that schedule is designed around their profit margins, not your car's actual needs. Whether you drive a BMW iX, a Mercedes EQE, an Audi e-tron, or anything else coming out of Germany right now, the real maintenance schedule is simpler, cheaper, and almost nothing like what the dealer hands you. But almost nothing is the trap, because the few items you skip on a German EV are the ones that cost $10,000 or more to fix later. Let's start with what you should be doing every single month. Monthly checks. Monthly maintenance on a German EV takes 5 minutes. No tools, no lift, just 3 checks that prevent the kind of problems that total a car. First, tire pressure, 30 seconds with a gauge. Once a month, tires cold. Most German EVs call for 42 psi. Your door jamb sticker has the exact number. Do not trust TPMS to catch this. It only triggers when pressure drops 25% below target. By then, you are already chewing through tires that cost $300 each on a car that weighs over 5,000 pounds. Second, battery coolant. This is the big one. Every German EV, BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Porsche runs a dedicated liquid cooling loop for the battery pack. If that coolant level drops, your battery is overheating and you will not know until it is too late. Pop the frunk, find the reservoir. If the level is low, even slightly, you have a leak. A leak caught early is a $500 to $1,500 fix. A leak ignored is a $15,000 to $30,000 battery replacement. Having worked on hundreds of these systems, this is the #1 preventable failure we see past 60,000 miles. Check it monthly. Set a phone reminder. This single check is worth more than everything else on this list combined. Third, 12-volt battery. Your German EV still relies on a small 12-volt battery to power the electronics and wake up the high-voltage system. If it dies, your car will not unlock, will not start, and will not charge. A 5,000-pound paperweight in a parking garage. BMW and Mercedes show 12-volt health in the infotainment. Check it monthly. Audi does not make it as obvious, so watch for sluggish screens or electrical warnings. A replacement is $150 to $300. The tow truck to get there is $400. Every 6 months. Every 6 months, 3 things. All simple, all cheap. One of them could save your battery. Tire rotation. Here is a number German EV dealers do not want you to hear. Free. Discount Tire rotates tires for free. Costco does it for free. America's Tire does it for free. You do not need a dealer. You do not need a specialist. It is 4 wheels and lug nuts. Rotate every 6,000 to 7,500 miles, and it is non-negotiable on these cars. Instant torque plus 5,000 pounds of battery weight destroys tires faster than anything in the gas world. Rear drive models like the BMW i4, eDrive 40 eat the rears first. All-wheel drive models like the Audi Q8 e-tron and Mercedes EQE SUV wear unevenly depending on how you drive. One thing to watch, torque specs on the wheel bolts. BMW calls for 140 Newton meters. Audi specifies 120 Newton meters. Mercedes ranges from 130 to 150 Newton meters. Most tire shops over-torque with impact wrenches if you do not tell them. That warps rotors and strips threads over time. We have seen it more times than we can count. Tell them the spec before they touch the wheels. Wiper blades. Replace every 6 months in rain and snow states, once a year in dry climates. Aftermarket blades run $30 to $50 for a full set. Dealers charge $75 to $120 for the same job. Skip the dealer, underbody inspection. Grab a flashlight and get underneath the car. You are looking for coolant stains, pink, orange, or blue, around hoses and on the ground. You are also checking the battery shield for damage from road debris. German EVs mount the pack low and flat, which means every speed bump and rock strike hits the most expensive component in the car. A crack shield is $200 to $500. A cracked battery case is a conversation nobody wants to have. If this is already saving you money, hit that like button and subscribe as we post weekly EV content. And next in the video, we are covering the one charging habit that nearly doubles your battery's lifespan, and the mistake that voids your warranty without you even knowing. Annually, once a year, 3 items that dealers either overcharge for, hide from you, or hope you forget about. Cabin air filter. Dealers charge $150 to $250 to replace this. The filter costs $20 to $40 on Amazon or FCP Euro. Installation takes 5 minutes, 0 tools. Open the glove box, release the clips, slide out the old one, slide in the new one. That is it. If you live anywhere near wildfire zones or heavy urban pollution, upgrade to a HEPA filter for $50 to $60. Worth every penny. Everyone else, the standard activated carbon filter is fine. Gray or brown when you pull it out means replace it. Still white means you are good for another cycle. Wheel alignment. This is the maintenance item that BMW, Mercedes, and Audi deliberately leave off their official EV schedules. They do not want to admit that a car with a 5,000-pound battery bolted to the floor still gets knocked out of alignment by potholes and curb strikes, just like every other car on the road. Alignment drift causes inside edge tire wear that turns a $1,200 set of tires into a 15,000-mile set instead of a 30,000-mile set. You are burning money every mile you drive out of spec, and you will never feel it from the driver's seat. Check it annually or every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Any shop with a modern Hunter rack can do it for $100 to $130. The dealer charges $200 or more for the identical service. Software updates. Most owners either ignore these or assume they happen automatically. BMW and Mercedes push most updates over the air, but not all of them. Some require a dealer visit. Audi has been slower with OTA on older e-tron models, so critical battery management improvements might be sitting there waiting for you to schedule them. These updates are free and they are not cosmetic. Porsche released software updates that improve Taycan charging speeds by as much as 15%. That is free range and free performance just sitting in a download. Once a year, check your manufacturer app and make sure you are current. Every 2 years, 2 services, both non-negotiable. Both will be ignored by owners who think EVs need no maintenance. Both will cost those owners thousands. Brake fluid. Here is something most EV owners do not realize. Regenerative braking handles 80 to 90% of your stopping, which means the physical brakes barely get used. Sounds like a good thing. It is for pad and rotor life. But brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air, whether you use the brakes or not. On a gas car, that moisture gets cycled through the system under heat and pressure every time you brake hard. On an EV, it just sits there, degrading, corroding the ABS module from the inside. And the brakes still look brand new the entire time. BMW, Mercedes, and Audi all recommend replacement every 2 years. This is one recommendation they get right. An independent shop charges $100 to $150. The dealer charges $200 to $300. Use the correct spec. BMW requires DO T4, Mercedes requires DO T4 Plus, Audi uses DO T4. Do not mix them. Wrong fluid kills ABS modules that cost $2,000 to $4,000 to replace. One insider tip: if you live somewhere humid like Florida or the Pacific Northwest, flush every 18 months instead of every 2 years. Test strips on Amazon for $15 lets you check moisture content yourself. Over 3% means it is time, regardless of the calendar. Battery coolant inspection. This is not a flush. It is a full inspection of hoses, fittings, pump operation, and coolant condition, and it is the single most important long-term service on any German EV. Every 2 years, have a specialist check the entire cooling loop. The coolant should be bright and clean. Dark or contaminated fluid means the anti-corrosive additives are breaking down, and once that happens, corrosion starts forming on the cooling plates inside the battery pack. That is damage you cannot reverse. A coolant flush at an independent shop runs $120 to $200. The dealer charges $300 to $450. full coolant replacement is recommended every 4 to 5 years or 50,000 to 60,000 miles. But these 2-year inspections are what catch problems early, before a $200 fix turns into a $20,000 battery replacement. Tire replacement. Over 200,000 miles, the average German EV owner will spend $10,000 to $16,000 on tires. That is not a typo. That is the single biggest maintenance expense on any electric car, and almost nobody budgets for it. Here is why. An Audi Q8 e-tron goes through front tires in roughly 25,000 miles. A BMW i4 M50 eats rears in around 18,000 miles. A Porsche Taycan Turbo S can destroy a set of rears in 10,000 to 12,000 miles if you actually use the performance. Heavy cars, instant torque, performance rubber. The math is brutal. Dealers recommend OEM spec tires at $300 to $400 each, $1,200 to $1,600 for a full set. Over 8 to 10 replacements across 200,000 miles, that adds up fast. But here is what they will not tell you. Any tire that meets your vehicle's load index and speed rating is safe to run. Most German EVs require XL extra load rated tires because of the battery weight. Brands like Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 3 EV or Vredestein Quattrak Pro EV perform within 5% of the OEM rubber at $150 to $200 per tire. Half the price, same performance where it counts. And no, running aftermarket tires cannot void your warranty. That is federal law under the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act. Dealers will try to blame non-OEM tires for suspension issues. We have seen it happen, but they cannot legally do it. That said, the smart play is to run approved brands until the factory warranty expires at 50,000 miles. Then switch to whatever meets specs. After that, you are saving $400 to $800 every time you buy a set. One last number. Consistent rotation every 6,000 miles extends tire life by 30 to 40%. Over 200,000 miles, that one habit saves $4,000 to $6,000. A free tire rotation every 6 months might be the best return on investment in all of car ownership. Battery health. If your German EV battery fails outside warranty, you are looking at $15,000 to $30,000 for a replacement. On some models, that is more than the car is worth. Everything in this section exists to make sure that never happens to you. Every German EV battery is warranted for 8 years or 100,000 to 120,000 miles. Sounds generous, but the warranty only kicks in if degradation drops below 70%. If your battery is sitting at 72% at 95,000 miles, you are within spec. You are also on your own. And the difference between 72% and 68% is often just a few bad habits repeated over years. The single most important habit is your daily charge limit. Lithium-ion batteries last longest between 20% and 80% state of charge. Charge to 100% every day for 5 years and expect 12 to 15% degradation. Stay at 80% and that drops to 6 to 8%. You nearly double your battery's lifespan by changing one setting on your home charger. That is not an opinion. That is chemistry. DC fast charging once or twice a month is fine. Multiple times per week builds heat that accelerates aging. The battery management system will prevent catastrophic failure, but it cannot stop the slow decline from chronic heat exposure. And in cold weather, this is critical. Fast charging below 32 degrees Fahrenheit without preconditioning causes lithium plating. That is permanent, irreversible cell damage. BMW, Mercedes, and Audi all have preconditioning systems built in. Navigate to a charger through the infotainment and it activates automatically. Show up without navigating and the battery charges cold. 5 extra minutes of preconditioning protects a $20,000 component. Do not trust the range estimate on your dashboard to track battery health. It fluctuates with weather and driving style. Use third-party tools, Bimmer Link for BMW, Mercedes Me app for Mercedes, OBD11 for Audi, to see real degradation data. Healthy batteries lose 1 to 2% per year for the first 5 years, then level off. Anything faster means something is wrong. One final warning. German manufacturers log every single charge session on your car. Every time you hit 100%, Every fast charge, every cold charge. If you ever file a battery warranty claim, they pull that data and look for abuse patterns. Keep your own records and charge smart, because they are keeping theirs. What you can skip. Now for the part that makes every gas car owner jealous. Add up everything a German gas car needs that your EV does not. Oil changes, transmission service, spark plugs, timing chains, exhaust work. And you are looking at $5,000 to $8,000 in maintenance that simply does not exist on your car. Gone. Permanently. No oil changes, no engine, no oil. That saves $500 to $1,000 alone over 100,000 miles of MB approved or BMW LL01 synthetic oil you will never buy. No transmission service? German EVs run single-speed reduction gearboxes with lifetime fluid. The 7G-tronic and 9G-tronic in-gas Mercedes models and the ZF 8-speed in-gas. BMWs need $300 to $500 services every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. Your EV drivetrain is sealed, maintenance-free, forever. No spark plugs, no timing chains, no exhaust work. Spark plugs every 60,000 miles at $300 to $500. Timing chain guides on older BMWs at $2,000 or more. All of it, gone. Brake pads, barely. Regenerative braking does most of the work, so pads on German EVs last 80,000 to over 100,000 miles, 2 to 3 times longer than a gas car. The only thing to watch is corrosion from sitting unused, especially in salt belt states. But you are not replacing pads every 30,000 miles like you would on an E-Class or A6. One warning, do not let a dealer put you on a gas car maintenance schedule. If a service advisor recommends a transmission flush or spark plug check on your electric car, walk out and find a different shop. We see this more often than you would think. Here is what you just learned in real numbers. Follow this schedule, the real one, not the dealer version, and your total maintenance cost over 100,000 miles comes in around $2,000 to $3,000. Do everything at the dealer with their upsells and you are handing over $6,000 to $8,000 for the exact same mileage. That is $3,000 to $5,000 back in your pocket just for being informed. The schedule fits on an index card. Monthly, tire pressure and coolant level. Every 6 months, rotate tires, replace wipers, inspect the underbody. Annually, cabin filter, alignment, software updates. Every 2 years, brake fluid flush and battery coolant inspection. Monitor your battery health. Charge to 80%. That is the entire list. No oil changes, no transmission service, no timing chains, no exhaust work. German EVs are the simplest performance cars to maintain that have ever existed. But simpler does not mean zero. Skip the coolant checks and you are looking at a $20,000 battery. Skip tire rotations and you are burning through $1,200 sets twice as fast. Take care of the battery. Watch the tires. Flush the brake fluid. Do it smart, not expensive. That is how you win with German EV ownership. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button, and I will